guys, so you guys all know that I got excuse me, the Lux Skin Microdermabrasion kit. I'm just gonna do just on my nose and see what it does. So I'm just gonna do a before and after of how my nose look. Okay. And it said in the manual to either use the shower or use a really hot towel on your face. Put it on the pores. That's what I'm gonna do. And yes, I know I did my whole face, but I'm just gonna show you guys. I do recommend that it's dry. Your face is to be dry. So there's the power button and it looks just like that. It has oily, normal, or dry. My skin is usually dry, so it's what to use. So, and dry kind of goes in and out. So I guess that's the setting for it. So, let's see. I don't even know I'm doing this right. My face isn't really... I don't think it's really doing anything. Yeah. So let me try the other one. And I already, yeah, my face is dry already. I know that because I already applied the hot towel on my face and I already used it. It's really not bad, but my face really doesn't have much of blackheads or pretty much any breakouts. But I got it so I can use it and let you guys know. It has 3 different settings. So there's oily, normal, and dry. Like I said, my skin's usually dry. And I'm just gonna do my nose just to show you guys what is supposed to happen. Like, my face really isn't bad, so I don't know. Like, it has a little bit of stuff in there, and you can see that it's cleaning out your pores. Like, it's working. It's just my face it just has a process for my face. So, but I'm gonna continue to use it and then I'll let you guys know how I like it and catch you guys later.